Hi, I'm Elefteria Mantzorou and I'm a massage instructor. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate some simple and easy chair massage techniques. So let's get to it. So I'm going to start this session with a few warming up techniques. They're really simple and easy. I'm starting from here, from the lower back, and I'm going to do a little bit of palm walking. When I reach the scapula, I take care so not to press it. And you see, I have placed my body in an angle. In that way, I can use my body weight more efficiently. So, when you're doing palm walking on the back, you have to take care not to press the ilium. This is the iliac bone here, and you also have here the iliolumbar ligaments, and you don't want to press it. Have in mind that the ilium can reach up to the fourth lumbar vertebra. Let me demonstrate this in a better way with an anatomy model. Here, you see? So you're not supposed to press the ilium, which is this large bone next to the sacrum. So I'm going to proceed to more warming up techniques. So in the next technique, I'm going to use my thenar and hypothenar eminences. I place one hand at the back and with my other hand, I'm doing this friction using my thenar and hypothenar eminences. I repeat from the other side as well. And I can do palm walking simultaneously. Remember to always stop before the ilium. I can also use my fists. And I can also rotate my fists on the back. Now I'm going to do a little bit of thumb walking on the back. I'm going to start from the lower back. In Thai massage, we say that here you have the Ita and Pingala sen meridians. So I'm just doing a little bit of friction with my thumbs. And I'm going to conclude this simple warming up techniques with a little bit of kneading on the upper back on the trapezius muscle. And I can use both my arms on the same side of the back. So that was it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more exciting videos. See more of me on our website jointheflow.net. Be always well.